Let me consider straight.
Yeah, that transmission I heard a while ago sounded like you may have had a visitor.
Really? We can't hear. You hear two voices?
Say again?
You mean you hear two voices in the radio?
No, I heard a child's voice on the radio just after I transferred you onto that frequency, and you were the only aircraft on the frequency. I thought you had a visitor, maybe.
No, sir. That's negative. We have no visitor in the captain.
Okay, then I better report it. So.
Thank you very much. Let me explain to you. We have a problem with the entertainment system, and the flight attendant is making a call, SATCOM with Mexico City, but with maintenance. Probably with his mistake and push another button.